Hola a todos and welcome back to the channel. I've came up to a little town called Fuente Álamo today. The church bells chiming right on cue. I've ridden past this several times when I've been out and about on the bike and also in the car, and often wondered what it actually looked like in the town itself, so I decided to pop in and have a wee wander to see what Fuente Álamo's like. So let me just flip the camera around, you'll see all the people just coming out of the chapel there. So it looks like their mass has just finished and they're all just going to get on with their day. So let's get on with ours. So Fuente Álamo is obviously in the Murcia region, and it's about 22 kilometres northwest of Cartagena and 35 kilometres southwest of Murcia city. It's not that big a town, I don't think the population's that big. I think it's around 18,000 people when I looked at it, so not that big. So I'm just going to have a wander up Calle, I think it's Calle Gran Vía. So this is, yeah, Calle Gran Vía in Fuente Álamo, and we'll have a look and see what's going on. Now, just as I'm walking, bear in mind it is a Sunday, so lots of the businesses will be closed here. There's also some barriers up, so I don't know if there's going to be something going on or whether it's just shut because it's Sunday. I don't know. But we'll just have a look and see what's going on as we walk up, as we always do. So yeah, you see the barriers here. If you know what they're for, let me know, because I certainly don't. I'm just going to walk up one side of the road here. I might cross back and forward as we go. A little bar there looks as though it's just about to open. Some people inside it getting things ready. And a greeting Wayne. Wonder why Wayne's greet. Don't know if that's a cafe or a little grocer shop. Quite a lot of people around. But when I was looking at this town, it seems like for some reason the population was in decline quite badly up till around 2001, and I think around 18% of the population here are non-Spanish, so that'll be a mix, but I don't know what the mix is. If you know what the mix is of nationalities here in Fuente Álamo, let us know. That's an odd looking kind of new building being built there. Look at that. So somebody's investing a bit of money. So yeah, these are just little local businesses. We're not that much going on. A few little houses right on the main street here. Little photographers there. Hairdressers, but that looks like it's closed down. So I'm assuming this is one of the main streets in Fuente Álamo, and I'm sure that there'll be loads of things happening in other parts of the town. But I just thought, let's have a wee wander and see what's going on. Looks like there's a few little bars further up the road here. So we'll pick that up and see what's going on. So there we go, Casa de Cultura. So obviously something to do with culture, House of Culture in there. Don't know what it is. And just while I keep saying I don't know what it is, let me know if you'd like me to do some Googling before I get to these places, or whether you're quite happy with me just to ramble. Let me know. So there you go, little cafe there, a few people in it, just starting to come to life. It's probably around 1:30 now in the afternoon, but you can see it's just hardly anyone around, and the shops are all shut being Sunday. The also thing you may notice is that we've still got horrible shitty grey skies on the way up here. I did go through a rain shower on the bike, so got a wee bit damp. I don't know when this bad weather's going to end. It's been really, really bad weather that we've had for probably a couple of months now. Just looking at posters on the wall here, and that brings back some memories. Look at that. ZZ Top are coming to Murcia on the 23rd of July. Won't be the same now that they're not all alive. ZZ Top was big in the hot rod world because the guys in ZZ Top were great hot rod fans, custom car fans. Fantastic Ford coupe they had, the Eliminator, if those of you remember it from the videos. Great cars and good looking women, great combination. Is that sexist? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. So yeah, just carrying up the road here. The only places that seem to be open are these little bars, little cafes, where people just gather and socialise and just sit and have a chat and put the world to rights. Not a bad wee life, is it? So I'm obviously going to miss out huge chunks of Fuente Álamo. What I might do is try and do a bit of research and add in some footage to try and give you a bit more information about it. Because there doesn't seem to be that much happening here that I can see. Don't know what's going on at the top end here. Just barriers up along this main road. Yeah, so a little sports bar. The Riders Auto Escola, so that's driving school. Little mirror shop. Windows, mirrors, and other hairdressers. So it seems to be the case that some parts of Spain are getting like the UK, with all the barbers and hairdressers everywhere. You know, several in the one street, and you wonder how they all keep going. There's a baker's across there. Nice to see that open on a Sunday. People getting in for their fresh bread. And some kind of big department store here, just big clothes shop. So that's one of the main thoroughfares in Fuente Álamo. I wonder how lively it is when it's busy. Can't see too much else happening in this video this way or that way, so it's just the main road. It looks like it's leaving out of the town, and that's the other main road where I started to come up. So it looks like that's for a lot in this one. Not that much to show you, but I don't know if there's too much more to say about it. Certainly when I had a look at Google, it didn't show me that much that seemed that interesting. And I know that there are some new build complexes probably on the outskirts and in the area, but there's certainly none that I can see near here. I might have a look on Google Maps and see if there's anywhere nearby. But anyway, I think we'll draw this one to a close, because I can't find anything else of note. And if you know, if I blatantly missed something very obvious, about Fuente Álamo, and if I have, let me know in the comments and I'll gladly come back and film it another day for you. But as far as I can tell, this looks to be about it. And on that note, oh, I nearly forgot. Remember to like and subscribe. I get a few questions asking about the subscription thing, and in my opinion, subscriptions and subscribe is the wrong word, because to subscribe would suggest that you've got to pay something, and you don't. Subscription's completely free, always will be. If you haven't got a YouTube account, just click on subscribe, and that'll open up a little box, and you put your email address in, make up a password, and that's you got your YouTube free YouTube account, and that way you can get alerts as to when I update the channel and when new things come along. So please take a minute to do that, I really appreciate it. Anyway, on that note, thanks for watching. We'll see you all in the next video. Hasta luego.